bubble sort is actually is one of the algorithm fall under brute force. Okay, you have to understand and trace this algorithm, and finally you need to based on the case study given, you have to show that step by step process. uh, Question A, 1A, problem 1A. If the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, so based on this algorithm, we have to trace the algorithm and show that the step based on the step that given through the pseudocode. B, after you uh, after doing that the tracing question number A and number B, you have to uh, calculate how many comparison are required for the list above, because as we know that for the sorting, the basic operation is comparison. Mean we need to compare pairwise comparison, and finally we need to do the swap if it is true. So here is you have to count how many comparison are required for the list above. And number three or C, how many swap are required for the list above. Basically, maybe the same because when it's true and swap. So this exercise basically try to uh, you have to understand in details based on the bubble sort uh, actually in term of tracing, so that you can have a very good tracing skill. Once you have traced and you basically as outcome that, of course, you will understand the sorting algorithm as well, and also the concept of brute force design strategy. Okay, problem number two. Number two is basically the problem based on the approximation problem, which is actually under the exhaustive search. Exhaustive search is subset of brute force. So one of the example of problem that we discussed during the lectures is here, which is a TSP, traveling salesman problem. Given NCT with known distances between each pair, find the shortest tour that passes through all the cities exactly once. So this is the keyword only. You have to go through that city exactly once before returning to the starting city, or the city that we started. So this is actually the condition or the problems. So you have to understand this. Only four cities A, B, C, D with weighted graph under the Hamilton circuit here. And the same thing also, show the step-by-step process for solving the problem by using the exercises. And I do hope that you understand the exercises as we discussed in the during the lectures. We have three steps. The first step is we need to list out all feasible or possible solution. From there, you have to find what is actually the best solution, which is achieve the goal. Try to find the best combination based on the goal, which is the shortest possible distance when we try to visit each city once at once, and finally the total distance is actually lower, the lowest total distance. And problem number three, basically the same thing. I mean, it's under the exhaustive search, and the problem called knapsack, given a knapsack capacity with W equal to 16, and the following information. Only four informations. Sorry, only four item. Item one with weight, two values 20, and so on and so forth. And so the step by step process of solving of the problem by using the exercises. So these are the I mean, we follow the same thing, the same example from the the same problem from the lectures, so that you can practice and understand. Because during the lectures, maybe you just follow my explanation, and sometimes maybe you understand, but sometimes maybe you still get confused. And now you have to do your own by yourself, so that when you complete this, I do hope that you understand the all these example of problem under the brute force. Okay, problem number four. Some people need to be assigned to n job with one person per job. The cost of assigning person I to job J A C I J. The metric is n by n metric. Find an assignment that minimize the total cost. Okay, so the same thing show the step-by-step process for solving the problem by using the exercises. So all these are four problem here. Actually, problem fall under brute force design strategy, and we have done the lectures. And next week, basically, no more brute force. We continue the next design strategy. This divide and conquer. So instruction here, the due date is on Sunday. This coming Sunday, 18th May 2025, before 11:50 p.m. or basically before the midnight. Please submit the assignment through Google Classroom. Late assignment will be rejected. Please remember to write your name and your student ID for the assignment. Okay, any question? Any question? Ada soalan?
No, sir.
Ha? Tak ada?
Tak ada.
Okay, tak ada. Then I think I leave it to you to do this all four exercise or problem here. Um, so because this online, saya pun tak boleh nak round-round tengok lah. So it's up to you. Okay? Boleh?
Boleh, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you next week.
Thank you, sir.
Sama.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.